What's up guys, we're here at Inzenskin today, and today we're filming a pretty special car. We've filmed this type of car before on our channel. It's a Lamborghini Aventador, but it's not like any other regular Lamborghini Aventador. There's been some custom stuff done to it and it spits out pretty huge flames. But this time this bull got in for a new makeover. So we're here at Inzenskin, and these guys do a lot of work here. They do wraps, they do tints, they do PPF, they do ceramic, and they pretty much protect your car and they make the color of your car change. So we're gonna take a walk through the shop and show you guys some of the cars that they have here for their jobs. So Inzenskin also does interior upholstery as well. So if you guys have any car seats that are damaged, that are rips, that have any marks on them, any wrinkles, you could get it made custom and have them with your bright colors that fit the car. This seat right here is a 2013 Lamborghini Aventador. As you can see, they got the Lamborghini emblem stitched into the headrest. It's in red Alcantara with red and black leather down the entire seat itself. So follow me, we're gonna go inside the shop and we're gonna show you guys what kind of cars we have inside. All right, so the first car that we have here is the Lamborghini Aventador that we're gonna be mainly focusing on. As you guys can see now, this is it's a Liberty Walk Lamborghini Aventador. We've shot one on the channel before. We've shot Shahan's orange one before, but this is the first time we're having this specific one on the channel. This one used to be gold, but now the new owner likes it in white, and he's getting everything a full white out. And as you guys can see, the old plate used to say immigrant, but this new plate says available. So I don't know, maybe it's available for sale. But this is the car that we're gonna be highlighting. The folks here at Inzenskin are still finishing up. They're just working on the door jambs and getting all the gold into white. And so now we're gonna kind of take a little walkthrough of the shop and show you guys some other projects that they've completed today. So we got here another Porsche Carrera. This car was a gloss black factory from Porsche, but now they're going for a green look, which kind of gives it a more of a bright, obnoxious look that kind of gets you noticed on the road. Next side we got here Dodge Charger Hellcat. I believe this one went for PPF and it's getting protected. We got another bull here, not your typical bull, this is a Urus. Factory red, gloss red from the Lamborghini, and now it's going to a silver satin. And lastly, we have another bull, Huracan Spider. This one was gloss black, but after what they did was they put a satin PPF on it to give it that satin finish look. When I was here first, as soon as I saw this car, I thought it was the factory Nero Nemesis color, but I've actually been told that it's a satin PPF that makes the car look a little closer to the Batmobile. Dig a bit deeper about this Aventador. So like I said before, this Aventador was the gold color. The new owner actually dislikes gold, and he doesn't like that gold look that everybody kind of gets on their exotic vehicles. So he wants to keep it pretty fresh. This car right here kind of reminds me of the Cali LA style, where you got people like Chris Brown, you know, throwing Liberty Walks on their Lamborghinis and going for fresh looks, fresh paint jobs through RDB LA. But here we got the frost white going on here, and they've actually also done the wheels. So the wheels were black and gold with the old color scheme, but now it's going the same satin white, and the wheels are still show a little bit of gloss black, but it's the combination between the gloss black and the gloss white, the satin white that we all love. The interior is also going to get done. That's not going to happen this time around. We're going to get the car whited out completely, and then, you know, the owner's going to drive around, enjoy it for a little bit, and that's a project for another day. But that is going to happen with the upholstery guys here at Inzenskin. So stay tuned guys, we're going to check out more of the Aventador once they're done with the job, and we're going to go by for some rollers, we're going to go by get some revs. Like I said, the flames are about this long, so once it's warmed up, once it's ready, we're gonna get the flames on the channel and show you guys why this car is a beast.